YouTube, what's good? Meta Boy Sean. We're back on another video. Ow! Wet. So what's up to all my lovely and beautiful kings and queens out there? Appreciate you watching this video. If you could drop a like on this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I will not disappoint. You follow my social media down below in the description. You guys can go check all my social media out. It's lit. I appreciate all the love you guys are showing me and everything. It's crazy. I love it. I can't thank you guys enough. And yeah, we're finna get to this video. So for this video, I was thinking to myself, can you really wash box braids? Like, I mean, you couldn't do anything really, but is it okay? You know what I'm saying? So in this video, we're gonna wash these braids. We are gonna wash these braids, all right? Because they're feeling dirty. They're pretty dirty. Some telltale signs that they are dirty and you need to wash your hair or wash your scalp is if your scalp is really itchy. If your scalp is really itchy, it's probably time for you to wash. Okay. Also, if you see a lot of like dandruff and things like that, a lot of buildup, if you're putting a lot of products in your hair every day and you're getting a lot of buildup, then you might want to wash some of that stuff out. You don't want to just let it sit on your scalp. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm not gonna do like a full wash, like in the shower, soaking on my head. I'm just gonna spray my hair really good with my spray bottle. I have put warm water in here to help open up the hair cuticles, and then I'm just gonna go in with my deep conditioner and we're gonna hit these roots pretty hard. Okay, so before I even get started, what you want to do, and this is probably good for your every time you shower, like even if you like take like a full shower, you just stimulate your scalp. Just rub your scalp really good with your hands. And a good way to know that you've stimulated the blood to your hair cuticles and your scalp is when your scalp turns red. Cause you see how right now it's like white, right? You see how now it's white. Now when you give it a really good rub and things like that, it will turn red, and that's how you know blood is circulating in your head. You can do this for however long it takes for you or however long you would like to do it, you know, but just stimulate your scalp before you wash it. It'll be a lot better as far as hair growth and getting all that product and whatever you have built up in your scalp out. This will definitely help. Now my scalp is definitely turned red. I don't know how well the camera's gonna pick it up, but it's definitely not white, and you guys can see that I need to wash because my hair is looking pretty dirty. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with my spray bottle and just spray my hair really good to make sure that I get all up in the roots and part of the hair shaft as well, because that also is going to be dirty, of course. Now, depending on your hair porosity, it'll be good to kind of just soak your hair, like squeeze the hair or the water into the hair. I have low hair porosity, so it'll be a little harder for me to retain moisture and product. So what I like to do is I just kind of squeeze the water into my hair so that it is penetrating inside the cuticle, so I can retain the most amount of moisture that I can. Okay, now I'm going to just use some of my deep conditioner. We're going to attack these roots. You want to start at the roots first and then work your way out. I'm not going to put as much on the hair strands themselves, but more so focus on the roots because that's where it was most dirty at. So you kind of want them like on the tips of your fingers mostly, so that you can rub down in there. And you just want to use however much you need, you know, depending on how long your hair is, or you know, how dirty your hair, things like that. Now I'm just gonna take some deep conditioner, not too much. And I'm just gonna put it on the hair itself. And again, I'm just squeezing the product into my hair to make sure that it's really getting in there. Alright, now I'm gonna let this sit for probably about 15 to 20 minutes ish. So yeah, I'll be right back within 15 to 20 minutes. I'm just gonna use instant transmission so you guys don't have to sit here and wait. So here we go. Okay, so after a smooth 20 minutes, we are back. I had already rinsed out the conditioner in my hair, and I had put a towel on my head to wrap it up a little bit so it could dry. But this is how it's looking now. It's looking a lot better. It feels a lot better. I love it. I love it when you wash your hair. It just feels good. You look better. Like, it's just, the feeling overall is just a lot better. But this was just a quick little wash video. This is actually my first time doing this. I've never really washed my braids like that before, especially box braids. So, and it turned out really well. So I'm actually glad with the results. If you probably want to, you could probably just take a hair tie and tie your hair together or something, just so that it can stay elongated a little while your hair is a little wet, because you know, shrinkage is something. So if you want to, just take a hair tie, tie it up a little bit to retain the leak, wait for it to dry. But yeah, I think that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below. All my social media in the link below, blah, 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 all that good stuff. I think that is it. Yep, it's my boy Shaun.